Hi guys, this is Duckbird, and today we are talking about the Samsung devices they are launching in September 25th in India. This is J4 Plus and J6 Plus. Both are the upgrades from the devices they launched in May, named as J4 and J6. At that time, J4 having 16:9 display and J6 having 18.5:9 display. But now both the devices J4 Plus and J6 Plus having 18.5:9 display, big screens and new aspect ratio as compared to the old one J4 having at that time. The difference between these two devices J4 Plus and J6 Plus is the RAM variant, and J4 Plus having 2 or 3 GB RAM and 16 or 32 GB of storage as compared to J6 Plus having 3 or 4 GB RAM and 32 or 64 GB of storage as compared to J6 Plus having 3 or 4 GB RAM and 32 or 64 GB of storage. Yes, the battery in both these devices is 3300 mAh battery, and the screen size of both devices is 6-inch, which is a big display as compared to its predecessor. And yes, both these devices are having the processor of Exynos 7570, which is a good processor. And the difference between J6 Plus and J6 is the bigger screen and bigger battery. And if you compare J4 with J4 Plus, the difference between the aspect ratio, the design language, as well as battery and the design. And it could be a chance that J4 Plus having a IPS LCD display, or it could be J6 Plus having a Super AMOLED display. So follow our channel, we will update you all the news regarding this event and when they will available. So thank you, like our channel, subscribe our channel and share this video please. Thank you, bye bye.